Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid. Appreciate your time and your support. Check this out. Just brought it in. Brand spanking new. Google Pixel 2 XL Panda 128 gig variant, 140 smacks over at Daily Steals. Now, before I continue, huge shout out, J Will, for giving me heads up on this deal going on over at Daily Steals. He sent me a link that sent me on over to, well, I just said it, Daily Steals. Black or Panda Google Pixel 2 XL brand new, $124.99 for the 64 gig variant. Now, I don't see the 128 gig variant option that was right next to the 64 gig area there. It was right here. So right now, I must have bought the last one. You can only get the Black Panda $124.99 64 gig variant, but in my opinion, that's a no-brainer. That is definitely a no-brainer. Now, everything I talk about in this video, as far as products, I will leave down below in the description area. Recently, I brought in a Google Pixel 2 XL that was renewed through a third-party seller, Edge Cellular, over at Amazon, which I highly recommend. Highly recommend if you're looking for renewed devices. They are great in communicating as far as going through email. They answered all my questions. I purchased the Google Pixel 4 XL through them, which is working phenomenally awesome. And I got the renewed Google Pixel 2 XL that they allowed me to send back. And that money I used on the brand new 128 gig variant that I have right here, Panda. So yeah, kudos to them. Huge shout out to them. But right now, they don't have that 128 gig variant, only the 64 gig. But who knows, it may pop up again. And I don't know how many of these they have left. So once you see this video, if you're interested, move quickly on these deals. Now, I wish they had that 128 gigger there, but like I said, I probably took the last one. So anyway, I just brought in some screen protectors as well that cost $5.89. Got two of them, which I'm going to be putting on my Google Pixel 2 XL, and I reviewed this case about a week ago, and I will be leaving that information. Let me see if I have it right here. It's right here, and it's only like $5.98. So I'm sure when these first came out, when the Google Pixel 2 XL first dropped, they were a little more expensive, but they got many different color choices. They're all clear, but the little strips there, the plastic polycarbonate strips, are going to be different colors. It'll be clear like that. And great looking case. Protection for your investment. Please go check out that video. So we're just going to go ahead and take off the top of the box there. There is the phone. And we'll put that right there. And you can see that this is completely brand new. The original packaging has not been tampered with, and that is awesome. Here are the booklets. Yay! Welcome to #TeamPixel, which is right on the back of the box as well. All right, well, let's put that over here. And here we have our adapter to transfer data. They call that the quick switch adapter. Okay, and we have a dongle, and we have our USB Type-C cable right there. And we have our 18-watt charging brick. So that's everything there. Get that back there. And inside you have your SIM key tool as well. So that's everything. Okay, do you want me to check and see if that's in there? I should, right? It's in there. Trust me. It's in there. There it is. Right there. Let's get started. Okay, so everything that should be in the box is there. That's what you're going to get from Daily Steals. So we're going to put this there and there like that. Put that right over there. And we're going to remove that, and there she is, man. That is just gorgeous, beautiful. Now I'm not going to turn that on as of yet because I'm going to put on the screen protector here, and so just want to make sure I'm going to have all the protection that I'm supposed to have. So stick with me on this if I can figure out how to open this. There we go. HP Tech, lifetime guarantee upgrade. If you need any help, please via Amazon message system to contact us. You can watch the installation with that QR code. And so yeah, read everything inside. Some wet and dry wipes. And you have your dust absorbers. And you got 2 screen protectors. So we're just going to use one. Okay, so I got this little pad here. So it sticks to the table like a rubber little pad. And that should move there. And we're going to do a little close-up here. Okay, just like that, move that over. And even though that display has never been touched, that's the dry wipe. I don't want the dry wipe yet. I don't know if you want me to speed up the process. I just may speed this up.
Now, it's going to adhere to the display completely. Now, it's a little off, and I can probably just live with that, but I'm one of those people that it just has to be a little more on the perfect side.
Nice. Now, it's not edge to edge, but that's okay. It's going to make it a lot better to work with my case over here from Ghostek. What's nice about this screen protector is that when I lifted the corners here to remove and replace it back onto the display, typically if it's a bad tempered glass screen protector, it won't completely adhere to the edge that you're pulling up and remove it, and then placing back down and then remove it again. Usually it'll lose its integrity. That didn't happen to this one, so that's good. And you got your speakers, your camera there uncovered, so they can do their job as far as taking pictures and listening to your music through those front-facing speakers. So let me put my Google Pixel 2 XL into the case here, and in my soapy guard micro cloth. We're gonna power this on, see if there's any juice. There might not be any juice. Okay, so let me get my third-party cable here. We need some juice in that battery. Take my cable here, and we're gonna fill her up, and I'm gonna start using it. So let me know if you are going to go over to Daily Steals and see if you can pick up one of these devices. Again, I don't see the 128 gig option there as far as that variant, but if you get a 64 gigger, let me know down below, and hopefully they don't sell out. So again, all the information will be down below in the description area. Again, huge shout out to Jay. Got my protection, Ghostek case here with the screen protector. That should work just fine, even though there's a little extra gap in there. That's fine. All right, that's it. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. And I'll get back to you in a timely fashion. Hopefully you're subscribed to the team. If you're not, please do that. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I have uploaded a new video for you and others to watch. And please share them on your social media. There is my Twitter handle right there. There's the channel right there, man. All right, till my next vid. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.